Welcome to my channel Good Mind Gyan. Today's topic is water, ICSE Class 9 Chapter 3. What is water? Water is most abundant compound which is found on our planet. It is the most common substance on the earth's surface. It is found naturally and hence it is also called as natural water. The water which has received some form of treatment is known as treated water. W. Oswald stated that almost all the chemical processes which occur in nature takes place among solutions in water. Thus, water is the elixir of life. What is the importance of water? For natural processes, and it's vital for the growth of plants and animal life. Water is also required for the human body. The human body needs water for almost every function carried out by each and every cell. It is also required for industrial processes. All are dependent on water. The agriculture, the transportation, and power generation plants, both hydro and thermoelectric, require water. Water is the most abundant compound on our planet, covering about 3/4 of the surface of the earth. It makes up about 7/10 of the human body. Life on earth would not have been possible without water. In search of life on the other planets too, scientists took first look for water. In ancient times, water was thought to be an element along with air, fire, and earth. Water was shown to be a chemical compound of hydrogen and oxygen by Cavendish and Lavoisier. 2 volumes of hydrogen and 1 volume of oxygen combine to form water when an electric spark is passed through their mixture. Mass-wise, water contains 1 part of hydrogen and 8 parts of oxygen. Since the relative masses, atomic masses, of hydrogen and oxygen are 1 and 16 respectively, the mass ratio gives an atomic ratio of 2:1 for hydrogen and oxygen. Thus, the molecular formula of water is H2O. Occurrence of water. Water is found in the free state and in the combined state. In the free state, it is found in 3 states, that is solid, liquid, and gaseous. In the bracket, it is vapor. In the combined state, we find it in plants and animals, in hydrated salts like magnesium chloride 6H2O, and in certain minerals. In the Earth's surface, it covers approximately 75% of the Earth's surface. In human body, about 70% of the body weight. And food products, green vegetables 80 to 90%, milk 80 to 85%, and dry cereals 3 to 5%. So water is really important and most abundant compound on our planet. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, share it and give comments to this video. If you are a new visitor, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.